Welcome to Saarland. A small yet captivating state in southwestern Germany is often overlooked by travelers seeking the more prominent destinations within the country. Nestled along the borders with France and Luxembourg, it occupies a unique geographical position that contributes to its rich tapestry of cultural influences. The state is a blend of German efficiency and French flair, evident in its architecture, language, and culinary offerings. One of the key attractions in Saarland is its picturesque landscapes, featuring rolling hills and lush forests that provide ample opportunities for outdoor activities such as hiking and cycling. The iconic Saar River flows gracefully through the region, offering scenic views that are perfect for photography enthusiasts. Additionally, the stunning viewpoints, such as the Kloef near Mettlach, provide breathtaking panoramas that reveal the harmonious interplay between nature and the historical significance of the area. Saarland's cultural heritage is emblematic of its history, particularly the influences from its neighboring France and the historical shifts in sovereignty that have shaped its identity. The state is home to a wealth of historical sites and museums, like the Völklingen Ironworks, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, which highlights the industrial past of the region. In terms of gastronomy, Saarland boasts unique dishes that reflect its dual heritage, with influences from both German and French cuisines. The local wine, particularly the Mosel wines, complements the region's culinary offerings, making it a delight for foodies and wine lovers alike. This combination of natural beauty, cultural richness, and historical significance makes Saarland an attractive destination for travelers seeking an alternative experience. Whether one seeks adventure, relaxation, or a deep dive into history and culture, Saarland proves to be a hidden gem that warrants exploration. Once again, welcome to Saarland. Thank you.